the Austin FC front office put together a Zoom call for the supporters groups to meet Matthew McConaughey, and
Nice.
he it was as Matthew McConaughey as you could imagine, where he showed up without a shirt on and with a beanie hat, and it was the middle of the summer,
I love
and
it.
he went on this 20-minute stream of consciousness, beautiful, just landscape of ideas of what he wanted game day to be like, with chants and songs and the green lights and him at the center of the pitch with a big drum with Verde and Listos, and it was a lot of fun. It was.
Are you kidding me? You're doing a great job right now, Andrew. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. That sounds great.
My shirt for all of it stays on.
Yeah. Mine too. Mine too.
Yeah, there you go. But the merg of what they've come up with from songs is just, it's incredible. There's
awesome.
There's one that's from the Club de Cuervos. It's a telenovela theme song that we've redone.
Love that.
That one, and then the classic.
What's the classic? There's a classic one.
The Macala.
We don't have to sing it. It's fine.
I'm not going to sing, but we took.
But you got a couple.
There's a good one that we did off of Matt, obviously in tribute to the co-owner of the team, Mr. McConaughey. The all right, which is, instead of the ole ole ole, you can go in with all right, and that. Beautiful. I have to. When he heard that, he had a big smile on his face. It was pretty great.
That's awesome.
He enjoyed the tribute.
Oh man, that's awesome. That's great that he's going to be a part of, the games and getting it going. That's going to be a big push.
Ready for him to be in the supporter section leading the chants. That's going to be great.